In 84 was anti-Sikh, had the riots of the anti-Sikhs. 92 against the Muslims in the Bombay riots. 2002, 2,000 Muslims massacred, women raped. By who? The butcher of Gujarat. Nobody else, the butcher of Gujarat. This man who India worships as the biggest democracy in the world is by far a man who was called a terrorist, was on the American hit list as a terrorist, was not allowed in the United States of America before he became Prime Minister. Spent millions and millions of dollars to try to clean up his image just for that one Jalsa in Madison Square Garden. Why? Because he was a terrorist. A terrorist never loses its colors. Today, he has shown where terrorism is again, where his tyranny is coming. Again, the people of Kashmir, the articles that he has removed. Thank God, United Nations Security. यहाँ की हुकूमत को भी समझ आए और बाहर सारी जो हुकूमतें बैठी हुई हैं उन सबको समझ आए. We need to understand where we stand today. On what part of history do you want to be? Do you want to be united, Kashmiris, Pakistan, the Muslim Ummah, or do we want to be divided? We stand here today for one thing and one thing only. That is the right of the Kashmiri people. Nothing more. I congratulate all of you for putting your differences aside and holding the Kashmiri flag high as we have done today. Congratulations to all of you for showing solidarity as one nation, as one people, for the rights of the oppressed. This fascist